Hello and welcome to this presentation entitled Introducing Bimplus, your open BIM solution for project collaboration with myself, Ralph Pullinger. In this presentation we are going to show you what Bimplus is, how it works and what it means to your business. This presentation will not be able to cover all aspects of Bimplus, but it will certainly give you a flavour of what Bimplus is all about. In today's world of construction, things are changing at a rapid pace. Projects are getting more and more complex. This can be in a variety of ways: complex geometry, innovative materials, and even new structural forms. The economic effect also has to be considered, with timescales playing an ever-increasing role with the viability of any given project. However, what we are still seeing are the same old mistakes being made again and again. Why is that? We are also keenly aware that not everyone on a project team are using the same piece of software, which gives rise to interoperability issues. The Bimplus platform allows all disciplines to work together on any project, large or small, from the sublime to the ridiculous. Just like many other solutions, Bimplus is built on solid foundations. This starts with organising projects efficiently. Members are invited to different projects by their respective project administrator. All project members can see what is in the Common Data Environment, or CDE, at any point in time. Bimplus enables the design team to exchange and integrate information in a logical and timely fashion. In the following video, we will show you how to get started with Bimplus.
In this video, we will show you how to get started with Allplan's cloud-based BIM collaboration tool, Bimplus. Here you will learn how to register, set up projects and invite other project members in order to get you productive as quickly as possible. We start with the registration. Click on the Register Now button. Now fill in the form. Answer the security question and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Then click on Register Now. Now a new page will be opened. To use Bimplus, you have to create a database for the company. First, click on the Create Team button. A new window will open. Click the Create Allplan Bimplus Team button to complete the process. You'll receive a confirmation and can switch directly to the Allplan Bimplus dashboard with just one click. To create the first project, click on the menu item Projects in the dashboard. Now create a new project by clicking on the Add Project button. Enter the project name and confirm the dialog. You can now edit the attributes of the project. Click on the menu icon in the upper right corner to open the Properties window. Here you can edit the attributes of the project, in this example, the city. Confirm the dialog with Save. You can now switch the different views of the project. Now we invite further project members. Click on the menu item, Project Members in the dashboard and then on the button Invite Member. Enter the email address and choose the role. You can invite other members in the same way. The role can also be changed later. All invited members with the appropriate role can upload projects. To do this, switch to the menu item Models in the dashboard and upload the models using the Add Model button. Once the data has been processed on the server, you can visualize the models. The successful import is displayed with a message. In order to view the model, switch to the Bimplus app BIM Explorer. Activate the two models. In order to distinguish them better, they can be coloured uniformly and displayed transparently. You can also deactivate parts of the building using the topology. You even have the opportunity to hide entire disciplines. To see the properties of an object, activate the object in the 3D navigation window. In the Object Navigator, you can filter objects according to certain attributes and attribute values. Identify the corresponding element and copy the attributes and attribute values to the filter criterion. Now create the result. Highlight all found elements, and then isolate these elements from the rest of the model. This allows you to perform the first check of the model. Slides can be developed from the project models and data. These are useful within project or client meetings and provide a concise view of the selected and relevant parts of the project. Create a new slideshow and enter a name. Insert a slide by clicking on the Create Slides icon in the 3D navigation window. The current view is logged in the slides. Click the Create Slides button once again to create more slides. If a problem has been detected, you can create a task. Enter the task name and a short description. Specify the priority and select the person responsible. Also specify the due date and save the task. Now switch to the slideshow again and create more slides. To manage further documents in the project, switch to the dashboard and select the menu item Documents. Use the Add Document button to upload the files. You can manage documents of any type in Allplan Bimplus. Any attributes can be added to the attached files. Locating documents is real fast. As the list of documents builds up, we offer the ability to create a filter to get to your documents quickly. If you need further assistance with the Bimplus menus, click on the eye icon and select the appropriate YouTube video.
As we have already intimated, today's projects are getting more complex and involved. We have seen that information comes in many forms, not just models. We also know that on any given project there are many different types of software in use. If these pieces of information are not managed correctly, inconsistencies will occur. Bimplus allows you to take control of these possible issues right from the very start. Final information release does not happen overnight. Information is developed, issued, and implemented. It is not just about the quantity of information either. Content and quality play an important role in information development. A structured project will have different models being combined together, tested, evaluated, and reported on. Bimplus allows you to coordinate your project in a neutral, interactive, and efficient environment. In the following video, we will show you how to control your projects and coordinate your models.
In this video, we explain to you how to coordinate and check models from different working statuses and disciplines in Bimplus. Click on the menu item Projects in the Bimplus dashboard. Select the appropriate team from the pull-down menu and activate the project. Click to switch to the Bimplus app Export Manager. Activate the required model. and turn off all disciplines you do not want to export. In the typology section, you can refine the selection. Then click on the Export button to generate the ifc.4 file. Enter the file name and confirm the dialog. After the successful export, the file can be downloaded directly via the link in the message. Alternatively, you can switch to the Bimplus dashboard and download the IFC file from the Documents menu. After the IFC file has been downloaded and the model has been reinforced, for example in Allplan, the reinforcement is now uploaded to Bimplus. To do this, the user logs into Bimplus and uploads the data to the corresponding project as a new model. The reinforcement model is now visible in the Models menu. To view the model, start the BIM Explorer. We now want to check the reinforcement of the ground floor ceiling. Therefore, we switch off all of the reinforcements and add the corresponding architecture model. Hide the ceiling to see the mesh reinforcement. In the course of a project, there are often design changes, and the new revision of the architectural model is uploaded via the menu item Models. After the successful upload, start the Bimplus app Revision Compare. First, activate the latest revision. Then switch to the Revision Compare function. Now select the appropriate model and the previous revision and start the comparison. The result is listed and can be highlighted by isolating the rest of the model. In this example, columns have been moved. Now turn on the reinforcement to detect the inconsistency. And create a task for the engineer to correct the reinforcement. The task is filled in accordingly and assigned to the responsible person, who is automatically informed via email by Bimplus. To make the problem area easier to recognise, position 2 pins. And save the task. The task is logged and can be downloaded via the function Export Task to BCF file.
Poor collaboration leads to errors and poor project performance. Fact. A solution must take into account that collaboration should be able to be done at any time and from anywhere in the world. Bimplus gives you this level of control and accessibility. The next video shows how Bimplus enables efficient collaboration.
In this video, we explain how to check the wall formwork on the construction site and how to determine it with Excel concrete volumes. To check the wall formwork in the basement, deactivate all unnecessary disciplines and additionally all floors except the garage. Then switch to the multi-model manager and activate the walls and columns in the basement in the prepared structure. To highlight them, isolate them from the rest of the model. Now open the node to check the status of each wall. If the formwork for the wall in question is already in place, you can set the formwork parameter to Finished. You save the change and proceed to the next wall. After the entire formwork has been checked, Excel is used to determine the required amount of concrete from the volume of the walls. For this purpose, another employee logs into Bimplus, selects the corresponding project, and imports the attributes of the walls into Excel. After the walls are available in Excel, search for the parameter Formwork and filter all walls whose formwork is prepared. Then the total amount of concrete is read from the volume of the walls. Once the walls have been concreted, Excel can also be used directly on site to log the stage of completion. The change is saved in Bimplus with a click on Save All Worksheets.
Sometimes you need more tools in your toolbox. If it makes sense to use another piece of software to update a model, for example, then why not use it? The developers at Bimplus recognise this aspect of manipulating information. Having the right tool is important, which is why we are also developing add-ins for today's popular Office products to extend your workflow capabilities. Our last video in this presentation highlights what is possible when combining a flexible approach to data.
In this video, we show you how to export parts of the model as an ifc.4 file. Click on the menu item Projects in the Bimplus dashboard. Select the appropriate team from the pull-down menu and activate the project. Click to switch to the Bimplus app Export Manager. Activate the required model and turn off all disciplines you do not want to export. In the Typology section, you can refine the selection. Then click on the Export button to generate the ifc.4 file. Enter the file name and confirm the dialog. After the successful export, the file can be downloaded directly by the link in the message. Alternatively, you can switch to the Bimplus dashboard and download the IFC file from the Documents menu. In this video, we show you the smooth workflow between Bimplus and Microsoft Excel. After downloading and installing the Microsoft Excel add-in in the Bimplus dashboard, Bimplus is displayed in the Excel menu bar. Log into Bimplus. Select the appropriate team and open the project. You can now use the Import Objects menu to select the objects you want to edit in Excel. Click to start the BIM Explorer to identify the Excel entries in the model. In this example, we will only edit walls with a wall thickness of 25 centimeters. Filter and isolate them in the BIM Explorer. To do this, activate the appropriate filters and highlight the objects. The Object Navigator and Excel are interactive. Objects and rows in the table are activated simultaneously. In Excel, now filter all walls with a wall thickness of 25. And assign the material concrete to these elements. Then set the verification state in Excel to Reviewed. Now save all changes in Bimplus with a click on the button Save All Worksheets. Other project members can now check the verification state in BIM Explorer. To do this, the Object Navigator is started, the discipline is selected, as well as the predefined filter that groups the objects according to verification state. The checked objects can be highlighted with one click. The attribute changes are now traceable in the Object Detail window.
You have now seen what Bimplus can do for you and your organisation. Well, maybe not everything. You don't have to take my word for it either. Here are two case studies showing how Bimplus transformed our customers' projects. In our first case study, we see how Andreas and Christian used Bimplus to coordinate and manage their project. It looks like they even had fun doing it too. In our second case study, Hans-Peter and Matthias used Bimplus to aggregate different pieces of information so that they could discuss and resolve technical challenges in an open BIM environment. Many thanks for your time today. Please check out our websites for further information and to see how to get in touch with us.